It's now July and it's an absolute cracking evening. I've got my Wolverine R, I've got the Hikmicro Alpex on the top, and I'm going to try and shoot some daylight rats. When I see all these down this yard, I had to make this shot count. So I had to wait for this big one here to turn side on for a nice clean headshot. Or just do the old squeak, I suppose. I've just found a drum here to sit on because I'm now shooting up the farmyard, because there's two spots I can shoot here now. There's the actual farmyard and there's a wall down the right. So I've got two spots to shoot now, whereas before I only had one. And I'll just get my sticks right. That's the farmyard there on the left where the rats cross, but also you can see a wall just on the right. The rats run up and down this wall. So I'll see what happens. Also, even though it's daylight, the thermal spotter still does come in handy, as it picks up rats in grass that you don't see with the naked eye. This rat is very dead, by the way. This is just the nerves and nothing else. I think this rat here was coming out to see his dead mate, but a big mistake, I suppose. I do like seeing hers, so any of you negative type people, don't think for 1 minute I'm going to shoot artly. And there he goes, probably off out to box one of his mates or something. See you later. That spot had dried up now, so I move again now to a different position around the other side of the farm building. I move again here to another different spot, but it's quite a good place here because I'm facing a building where the farmer usually keeps proving, so there's usually 1 or 2 rats around this area. So I get sat on this white bucket, I put my Wolverine on the sticks, I set the Alpex all nice and clear and get ready for some more daylight rat action. There's no rush, I just wait here for a nice clean headshot. Then this rat here ran right down my side, and this really was up close and personal. That rat was very close. Just there. Then when I looked back in the corner, there was Tubby Tucker, the fat rat. Oh well, I suppose that we're going to happen sooner or later. But I did have a good night. I shot 12 or 13 rats this night, all in daylight too, so I was quite happy. And it's not all about going out shooting big numbers all the time. It's about going out doing a kind of a job, but also enjoying it at the same time. So here now, I just go and check the zero on my Wolverine just before I go home. And I'm in a building here. I've got this white board, and this board's 22 yards, and I'm using 8.44 grain GSBs in 177. And as you'll soon see, they shoot absolutely brilliant in this Wolverine, and the zero is still spot on. But you know, I'm a bit obsessed with checking my zero, but it is the best way to be. And I can go home now knowing everything is still spot on.
That'll do.
So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you all soon.